Let's check it out. Check that out, guys. P2R. Let's check the sticker out. That's pretty awesome. Free sticker. We got the thermal gaskets for the throttle body. Spacer. Oh, listen. Check that out, guys. Awesome. Yep. The little nitrous port. Yep, I got all the bolts in there. Check it out. Wow. Package very nice. Check that out, guys. There it is. Super high quality, as expected, from P2R. And at the end of the video, I go heads up with a Dodge Charger, but let me know if it's a V8 or V6. I couldn't tell. And also, of course, this took place in Mexico. Check out the runner. It's pretty light. Wow. That is absolutely amazing, guys. Holy moly. So one thing I wasn't expecting was better MPG. So basically these P2R runners pay for themselves. So we got little 10mm bolts down there. Gotta loosen this up. It's down. So we do have a little bit of debris inside. It's not a problem. We'll just vacuum it out. So don't worry about it. Just make sure you have a vacuum. So everyone's good except this one. Let's see the side. All right, so I'm gonna clean that up, guys. Clean it up a little bit. All right, so I cleaned the surface, a little bit of brake cleaner. Just cleaned it, vacuumed it. So you definitely want to put new gaskets and a knock sensor and a knock sensor wire harness. You might as well. But I had no choice because my parts were on back order, and I'm willing to do this job all over again. But trust me, it's time consuming, but it's easy. There you go. Yep. All right, guys, so let's weigh the stock runners. Now there's a little bit of oil, there's a little bit of debris, but that's not gonna make too much of a difference. Let's check it out. All right, so a little over 3 pounds. All right, so let's try out the P2R next. Oh, that's a difference, guys. That's a huge difference. That's almost a pound of weight savings. All right, so now we know the difference in terms of weight. Guys, the moment of truth. Took a couple hours, but we're here. Let's try it. All right, guys, let's try it. Wow, that started differently. Car's cold. So this is the end of the video, but stay tuned for more because we have nitrous next, and we're gonna turbocharge the 7 Gen Accord.